Warning for seniors over 60. Doctors are sounding the alarm. There's a bedtime habit nearly every senior does, and it's silently destroying your sleep, spiking your blood sugar, and packing on stubborn belly fat. If you care about your health, you need to hear this. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss life-saving tips that could literally add years to your life. Now let's uncover the bedtime mistake that could be the silent killer after 60. Picture this. You've just finished dinner, the dishes are washed, and you're finally relaxing on the couch watching TV. As the clock creeps toward 10 p.m., a craving hits. Maybe it's a couple of cookies, a sweet glass of milk, or even a splash of wine to unwind. Seems harmless, right? Just a little nighttime treat. But here's the shocking truth. That tiny indulgence is actually a silent killer after 60. Doctors warn it's one of the fastest ways to sabotage your sleep, spike your blood sugar, and force stubborn belly fat to stick around no matter what you do. Why is this tiny bedtime habit such a big deal? Here's the shocking truth. After age 60, your body becomes far more sensitive to even the smallest late-night choices. 3 key hormones are at the center of it all. Melatonin is supposed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Insulin keeps your blood sugar under control. Cortisol manages your stress levels. But the moment you eat cookies, sugary snacks, or have that innocent glass of wine before bed, everything goes haywire. Insulin spikes, desperately trying to handle the sugar. Cortisol shoots up, keeping your body in stress mode instead of winding down. And melatonin? It gets suppressed, robbing you of the deep, healing sleep you need. The result? Your belly starts storing fat like a magnet. Your sleep becomes restless, and the number on the scale quietly creeps higher every single week. Doctors actually call this bedtime habit a metabolic time bomb. Why? Because every time you feed your body sugar, alcohol, or late-night snacks, you're forcing it to work overtime when it should be resting, repairing, and burning fat. Instead of healing, your system stays on high alert. That's why so many seniors wake up groggy, low on energy, and frustrated by stubborn belly fat that just won't budge, no matter how much they diet or exercise. And here's the scary part. Over time, this habit doesn't just add inches to your waistline. It can set the stage for more serious problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart trouble. If this sounds familiar, don't just scroll away, hit that like button right now. It helps more seniors discover these life-saving tips and keeps you in the loop for the next doctor-approved solutions we're about to reveal. Let me share a powerful real-life story. One of my patients, a 68-year-old grandfather, had a nightly ritual, sipping soda and grabbing pastries around 11 p.m. For months, he battled with climbing blood sugar, a growing waistline, and nights filled with restless, broken sleep. No matter how hard he tried, more exercise, cutting back on portions during the day, nothing seemed to work. His belly fat clung on, his energy drained, and he woke up feeling older than his years. But here's the turning point. His doctor finally told him to cut out those late-night sweets. Within just 3 weeks, everything changed. His belly shrank, his blood sugar leveled out, and he began sleeping through the night like he hadn't in years. The transformation was so dramatic, he said, "I feel 10 years younger." That's how powerful changing just one small bedtime habit can be. If he could do it, so can you. But the dangers go much deeper than just poor sleep and stubborn belly fat. When your body misses out on quality rest, your hormones spiral out of balance, creating the perfect storm for weight gain and disease. Elevated nighttime blood sugar doesn't just expand your waistline. It dramatically increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. High cortisol levels, often triggered by those innocent late-night snacks or drinks, push your blood pressure higher and silently damage your heart. Over time, this small bedtime indulgence can snowball into serious conditions like heart disease and stroke. And here's the scariest part. It all starts with a single habit that seems harmless. But for seniors over 60, it can become a ticking time bomb for your health. If this is hitting close to home, don't go anywhere. We're about to cover the simple steps you can take tonight to protect your sleep, your waistline, and your life. So what should you actually do if you find yourself hungry before bed? The good news is, you don't have to go to bed starving. There are powerful, doctor-approved alternatives that relax your body, calm your mind, and even help you burn fat while you sleep. try a warm cup of herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint. These teas soothe your nervous system, reduce stress, and prepare your body for deep, healing sleep. Want something tangy and refreshing? A glass of warm lemon water can flush out toxins, support digestion, and keep you hydrated through the night. And for a creamy, satisfying treat, try golden milk, a blend of warm milk with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. This ancient drink fights inflammation, boosts your metabolism, and encourages restful, fat-burning sleep. These simple swaps don't just help you avoid the sugar and starch traps. They actively support your body to unwind, sleep better, and melt fat overnight. Are you starting to see now just how dangerous that so-called harmless bedtime snack really is? After 60, it's not just a small treat, it's a hidden trigger for restless nights, rising belly fat, and serious health risks. If you truly care about protecting your health, type yes in the comments right now. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss my next health alert, packed with simple doctor-backed tips to help you stay strong, slim, and energized. Let's quickly recap the key points. Avoid sweets, starchy foods, alcohol, and late-night coffee. Instead, swap them for calming, fat-burning drinks like herbal tea, warm lemon water, or golden milk. These small changes can completely transform the way your body burns fat and recovers overnight. Let's quickly recap the key points. If you're over 60, you must avoid sweets, starchy foods, alcohol, and coffee before bedtime. Instead, choose light, calming drinks like herbal tea, warm lemon water, or golden milk that prepare your body for deep, restorative sleep. When you make this shift, you'll notice better, uninterrupted sleep, lower cortisol levels so stress no longer controls your nights, stubborn belly fat finally starts to melt away, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed, lighter, and more energized. The change is simple, but the benefits are enormous. Better sleep, reduced risk of diabetes and heart disease, and a stronger, healthier body that lets you enjoy life after 60. So don't wait until it's too late. Start tonight. And if this message resonates with you, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. So here's the bottom line. If you're over 60, never fall into the bedtime trap of snacking on sweets, starchy foods, or sipping alcohol before you sleep. Your health, your sleep, and your waistline depend on making this one small but powerful change. If this advice opened your eyes, smash that like button, share it with a friend who needs this warning, and don't forget to subscribe for more doctor-backed senior health tips to keep you strong, slim, and energized after 60. Your future self will thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.